Hello, student. This is our topic for quarter 1, week 3, absolute value. Our objectives we have at the end of the lesson, the students should be able to represent the absolute value of a number on a number line as the distance of a number from 0. Please like, share, and subscribe to Ma'am Des Math Tutorials. Hit the notification bell button to alert you for our latest video lesson. Okay, what do you mean by absolute value? The absolute value of a number is the distance between the number and 0 on the number line. It is denoted by 2 bars. The absolute value of a number is never negative. So, when we talk about absolute value, we always think of the positive numbers, right? Because no distance which are negative. So, it is always positive. Okay, of course, in having an absolute value, we will make a number line. Okay, so here is an example of our number line. So from the center, as you can see, we have 0. And then to the left of 0, we have negative integers. And then to the right, we have positive integers. Okay, don't forget that you have to start in the center. We have 0, and then to the left, -1, -2, -3, and so on. And the right of 0, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. Now, let us have illustrative example 1. Represent absolute value of 6 on the number line. So, gagawa po tayo ng number line. Ayan. So, from this number 1, we have 0. Here is the 0. And to the right of 0, we have 1, 2, 3, and so on. And to the left, we have -1, -2. Okay, so kung nakikita natin, mas maraming number doon sa positive or from the right of 0 because we have the given absolute value of 6. So from 0, ito po yan. From 0 and then to positive 6. Okay, so this one, ayan. So going to the right, so we have positive 6. So meaning from 0, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 units. Okay, so the distance is 6 units. Okay, so therefore, we have the absolute value of 6 is positive 6. Illustrative example 2. Represent the absolute value of -4 on the number line. Again, make a number line. So here is our 0 in the center and then 1 to 5 to the right. So positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then to the left of 0, -1, -2, -3, -4, and -5. Okay. So now, ayan. So make a line. So from 0 uli, from 0 going to -4. Ayan. So let us have, okay, -4. And this one is the 0. Okay, so you have to count how many units from 0 to -4. So let's count off. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then, as we can see, we have 4 units. So we have 4 units. So from 0 to -4, 4 units. The distance of -4 from 0 is 4 units. Therefore, the absolute value of -4 is +4. That is, in symbol, the 2 bars enclosed with the 2 bars is -4, and then the answer is +4. Illustrative example 3. Represent the absolute value of -5 plus the absolute value of +3 on the number line. So again, gawa po tayo ng number line. Gitna ulit sa 0. And then, the numbers at the right of 0, positive. So 1, start from 1, right after 0 to the right. So we have +2, +5. And then, to the left. So right after the left of 0, start from -1 to -2, -3, -4, and so on. And then look for -5. So as we can see here is the -5. So left of 0 is the -5. So from 0 po ulit, ayan. So from 0 to -5, so look at the distance, 0 to -5. So we have 5 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the other one, from 0 again to +3, 1, 2, 3. So 3 units. And then if you combine, we have the distance of, +8. So again, absolute value of -5 is 5 and absolute value of +3 is 3. Thus, absolute value of -5 plus absolute value of +3 is equal to 8. Let us have illustrative example 4. What is the value of negative absolute value of -5? When a negative sign appears before the absolute value sign, this will mean you are taking the inverse or opposite of the absolute value, thus leading to a negative number. So kung may nakikita po tayong ganito, may negative sign po before the absolute value symbol. So what you are going to do is find the absolute value of -5, which is +5, and then we have the negative sign. So it means the absolute value or the negative absolute value of -5 is -5. Okay? So let us have to try this. You can pause your video and then try to answer this given. Find the absolute value of each number. So no need to draw a number line. Just find the absolute value of the given. Okay, for number 1, absolute value of -3 is +3. The absolute value of 22 is +22. Number 3, absolute value of -20 is +20. And absolute value of -2 plus absolute value of +4 is 6. And the last, negative absolute value of -2 is -2. Okay, so I hope you learned something. So let us end our discussion for a mathematics code. Without mathematics, there's nothing you can do. Everything around you is mathematics. Everything around you is numbers by Shakantula Dev. Thank you for watching and please support Ma'am Des Math Tutorial. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!